Chapter 31. Frustrating, Alia said. This go slow strategy. I can't escalate the pace with Roy too much. I have to follow his lead, I said. I had briefed Alia about my chat with Roy on Instagram for the last couple of days. We have to wait. I have to build the relationship, win his trust, so he agrees to meet me. For how long? You have been chatting with him for 3 days, Alia said in an agitated voice. She was walking me back to my hotel after I had spent the afternoon at her house. I need some more time, I said. Why? Let's just fix a place to meet and catch him, shake him up and make him talk about Sia. I shook my head. If he senses even the slightest thing amiss, he will block me. Rather Daisy on Instagram. We can never get him after that. She didn't answer. We walked in silence until we reached Tower House. I'm sorry to make you wait, I said. A little more patience, please. A few more days. I have waited 336 days, Keshav. I understand. I will go as fast as I can. Thanks. Anything else I can do for you right now? You seem so stressed. I'll be fine. Coffee? If you want me to feel less stressed, give me company for a real drink. I'm sick of coffee. The waiter placed 2 tall glasses of vodka tonic on our table, along with a bowl of cashew nuts spiced with chilies. We were at one of the corner table in the lobby of Tower House, which served as a bar cum restaurant in the evening. Antique coffee tables and sofas facing the sea dotted the lodge. I checked my phone. Roy had sent several messages. He wanted to chat. I replied I had homework to do and couldn't talk right then. Roy? Alia said. Yeah, I nodded. May I see your chats with him? She said. She extended her hand. I'd rather you didn't. Could be disturbing for you, I said. I handed her the glass of vodka tonic instead. She didn't insist. Both of us took a sip of our drinks. I looked outside the window. The sky had turned golden. A few more visitors, most of them foreigners, had come to the Tower House for their evening cocktails. Okay, so what is your exact strategy with Roy? Alia said. How do we actually get him? Physically. Let him suggest meeting up. And you will keep talking to the creep until then? I have no choice. What if he doesn't want to meet? Oh, he will. They always push for more. You sure? Yes, he's already started flirting with me. I mean Daisy. Last night he dreamed about my eyes and beautiful hair. Disgusting. Yeah, but the point is, he is escalating it fast. If I play along, he will keep asking for more, and you will just go along with him? Not blindly, I will balance it out. How? Show some resistance, like any child would. But ultimately, I will also comply a little. Don't worry, Alia, we will get him. Alia kept her drink down and looked into my eyes. Her face took on the color of the pink sunset. You seem confident. Have you done this before? She said. Pretended to be 13-year-old and lured a pedophile? Definitely not, I said. The waiter came to ask if we needed anything. Alia ordered another round of drinks. It's on me, Alia said as the waiter left. I smiled. Not that I could ever repay you. Thanks, Keshav, Alia said. For what? Suhana, Roy, coming to Kochi. You are doing so much. I like solving cases. I will do whatever it takes to catch the culprit. Plus, spending time with Suhana is actually fun. She is very sweet. Alia smiled for the first time that evening. I didn't want to discuss the case anymore, lest she became sad again. So, you grew up around here? I said, pointing to the road outside. Yes, my school friends and I used to go to Vasco da Gama's church not far from here. We spent the next hour talking about Fort Kochi's history and Alia's childhood. I learned that Vasco da Gama, the guy who discovered India, had first landed in Fort Kochi. I told Alia everything I knew about Vasco da Gama. Every Indian student mugs up the year he came, 1498, in history class. We don't discuss how Vasco da Gama organized the trip without GPS or even knowing the first destination. In the India education system, mugging up the year he landed in India is far more important than discussing the explorer's sense of adventure, risk-taking ability, or organizational skills. We don't care about all that. We just care about mugging up a pointless year. Speaking of the Indian education system, Alia said, how's your civil service preparation going? Oh, don't even remind me. I'm supposed to be studying in Kochi as well. I had rather play with Sohana. Well, you're studying Indian history and heritage right now, Alia said. Look around you, history everywhere. I didn't want to look around. 2 vodka tonics down. I only wanted to keep looking at Alia. I should have realized the danger of drinking with her, especially after what had happened last time. I should stop, I told myself. One more round, please. Yes, same, vodka tonic, Alia said to the waiter before I could say anything. Alia, we have already had 2 drinks, I said in a meek voice after the waiter left. So? Nothing, I said. I saw raindrop splatter against the windows as it began to drizzle outside. Did you know the tonic water in vodka tonic has quinine? The British consumed it as a precaution against malaria in India. Mixed it with alcohol, of course. Oh, really? I said. Yes. See, you're learning history, you're studying, Alia said and laughed. Alcohol made her more cheerful, even if for a short time. I laughed along with her. The sky outside turned dark. I lost count of the number of drinks we consumed. Oh damn, Alia said, picking up her phone after a long time. I have so many missed calls. Your mom? I said. 2 from Manish, 5 from Amma. I stood up to move away and give her privacy as she called them back. She gestured to me to stay, phone to her ear. Amma, all okay? Sorry, had the phone on silent, Alia said. She and her mother began speaking in Malayalam and I couldn't understand. Fine, Amma, I will. Yes, right now, Alia said finally. I finished the last few cashew nuts in the bowl. The waiter came to ask if we needed more drinks. I declined even as Alia intervened. 1 second, Amma, Alia said and turned to the waiter. Yes, one last round, please. I am at Tower House, Amma, 5 minutes away. I will come in a while. Anyway, it's raining right now. You and Suhana eat the atlam, please. She ended the call and turned to me. I'm sorry, she said. Manish called me. When I didn't pick up, he called Amma a couple of times. She freaked out and called so many times. Everything okay? Of course, Amma is scared of my in-laws. She's like, call him back right now. You should. First time he has called me since I came. Why should I bother? Must be something he wants to tell. I'm having a good time, Keshav. Must I spoil my evening? I didn't answer. The waiter returned with our drinks. I remained quiet until he had collected our old glasses, placed the new one, and left. Oh, okay, I will call him back, Alia said. He stayed silent for 2 weeks, but I have to call back on the spot. You are like Amma only. I didn't. I began, but the shushed me, pointing to her phone. Yes, sorry, I was outside, she said on the phone. I heard Manish shout on the other hand. I couldn't make out his words. Manish, calm down. You haven't bothered to check on me for 2 weeks. Don't pretend to care all of a sudden. I found it awkward to listen to a conversation between a husband and wife, especially when I had started to care about the wife a little too much. I stood up again to give her privacy, but Alia raised her hand, motioning to me to stay put. Fine, divorce me if you want to. You think that's threat? Alia said on the phone, her voice loud. Manish screamed something on the other side. What's the point of this marriage anyway? Seriously? If you can't support, Alia said, her voice resonating through the entire bar. A waiter came up to us. Before he could ask her to keep it low, she said, 1 sec, Manish. She placed the phone call on mute. I'm sorry, I will step outside, Alia said. It's raining outside, I said. I pointed to the window. The drizzle had turned into a downpour. Can you give me your room keys? I need to finish this call. Give him a piece of my mind, Alia said. She extended her hand. I looked at the waiter and Alia is quick succession. I took out the card key from my pocket. Room called Moin, first floor, I said. I will show you, madam, the waiter said. He walked Alia out of the lodge towards the steps going up to the rooms. I waited in the lobby for 40 more minutes. Sipping on my drink, I kept an eye on the staircase. Alia did not come down. Maybe they were having a really long fight, I thought. I messaged her after an hour. Done? Give me a few minutes, she replied. I kept my phone aside. The waiter asked me if I wanted to order dinner. I assumed Alia would eat with me before going home. I ordered a kadla curry made with black chana along with Malabar parotas for the both of us. She messaged me after 10 minutes. Finally done with the call. So sorry. It's okay. Come, I ordered dinner. I replied. Thanks. I feel so drained. Don't feel like eating. Have something. Fine. Can we eat in your room? I don't want to be with people right now. Okay, I'll ask the waiter to send it up, I said.